YouTube? It's your favorite dramatic black girl, Diamond, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this very, I think, natural looking and extremely cheap makeup look. I am someone who doesn't know a ton about makeup. You know, I was never taught how to do it. I learned the same way most people learn these days. I see the 1-minute tutorials on Instagram, I watch the videos on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. I just sort of glance at them. Over the past few months, I think I've been able to kind of finesse the system and make it look like I kind of know what I'm doing when I really don't. So this video is for people who are like me. All the products I used are below the price of $20 because who's trying to spend more than $20? I say I don't know what I'm doing, like no, I'm not trying to spend more than $20 on some eyeshadow, like what? There are points in this video where I was doing my makeup and then I was thinking like I don't usually do it like this, what am I doing? So I just sort of went with it. I'm gonna let you know right now, you're gonna see some stuff in this video and you're gonna be looking at it like, why did you put on the eyeshadow like that? The highlight and the like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So feel free to give me tips in the comments, but like don't come for me, because like I said, like I don't know what I'm doing. This is just what I do to my face every once in a while. So that's my whole intro on all of this. I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch the video, and like I said, don't come for me in the comments. shout out to these people who do makeup tutorials for like a living or like often, because maybe it was just the fact that I didn't know what I was doing and I got confused a lot. I had to keep stopping to look up how to apply some of this stuff, but like that took me an hour and a half. I can only imagine if I was actually doing like a real like look, how long it would take. I didn't do any eyeliner, I didn't do any cut crease, none of that stuff, so just imagine if I had. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you somewhat enjoyed it. I hope I was at least a little bit entertaining, and maybe, I don't know, I'm making this video at the end of 2018, maybe by the end of 2019 I'll be a lot better and we can compare. Possibly.